Like Callus, when you kill him at the end, he just shits out all 3 ammos. Here, I know you're gonna.
Damn, bro.
We gotta melee them all at the same time.
Oh yeah. Oh, did they change that? I read they were going to, but I didn't know if they were actually going to. All right, Ticker. I'll line you up in front of your deal. We'll all melee at the same time.
I'll grab the left one.
Here, line up right here, Ticker. Aim at this thing, this glowing blue thing. Ticker.
Go to him.
Oh, that works. You can do
Oh,
that
yeah,
one. All right.
okay.
You gotta time it with us. All right, melee in 3, 2, 1, melee.
Guardian time.
Ah, fuck.